Speak fast and clear self-introduction in English. Hello everyone. First of all, thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Emma and I am from Lahore, Pakistan. It is a pleasure to meet all of you today. I have completed my bachelor's degree in English from the University of the Punjab. During my studies, I learned many valuable lessons not only from books, but also from my teachers, classmates, and different life experiences. Education has helped me become more confident, responsible, and eager to learn new things every day. I belong to a nuclear family. My family is my biggest source of strength and motivation. They always encourage me to work hard, stay positive, and never give up, even when life becomes difficult. I feel very lucky to have such a supportive family. Talking about my hobbies, I enjoy reading books, learning English, watching educational videos, writing, and helping others learn new things. I believe that hobbies help us relax, improve our creativity, and keep our minds active. In my free time, I also like practicing English because I know that every small step brings me closer to my goals. Now let me tell you about my strengths. I consider myself a punctual, hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I always try to complete my work on time and give my best in everything I do. I enjoy learning from my mistakes because I believe that mistakes are a part of success. Every mistake teaches us something valuable and helps us become a better person. I also have good communication and teamwork skills. I enjoy working with other people because sharing ideas helps everyone learn and grow together. At the same time, I can work independently whenever needed. I am always ready to accept new challenges because challenges make us stronger and more experienced. One thing that I always believe is that success does not happen overnight. It comes from consistency, patience, and continuous learning. That is why I always try to improve myself every single day. Even if progress is slow, I never stop moving forward because every small step counts. My short-term goal is to improve my English communication skills, build confidence, and become a fluent English speaker. I want to speak English naturally and confidently in every situation, whether it is an interview, a presentation, or a daily conversation. My long-term goal is to become a successful English teacher and help thousands of people improve their English speaking skills. I also want to continue learning throughout my life and make my family proud. I strongly believe that a positive attitude, hard work, self-confidence, and determination are the keys to success. No matter how difficult the journey becomes, we should always stay focused on our goals and keep moving forward. Life is full of opportunities for those who are willing to learn and work hard. Every day is a new chance to improve ourselves. I believe that if we stay disciplined, remain patient, and never stop learning, we can achieve anything we dream of. I always remind myself that confidence is built through practice. The more we practice, the better we become. That is why I try to speak English every day, learn new vocabulary, and improve my pronunciation. Finally, I would like to say that every new day is a new opportunity to learn something new, improve ourselves, and become better than yesterday. So never stop dreaming, never stop believing in yourself, and never stop working hard. Thank you so much for listening to my introduction. Have a wonderful day.